Greetings, Funky Kitters. Look what we have behind us.
Just a short message. This video was made possible thanks to Funkykit. You can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by clicking on the affiliated links down below. If you're planning to make a purchase, why not visit our Amazon store to find some great bargains. Thanks for your attention and enjoy the video.
One of the brand new 2060 Gaming Overclock Pro from Gigabyte. Big shout out to them for sending us one. We'll go over all the details in the review, so be sure to head on over to Funkykit.com and check out the written up review and the performance and benchmarks. Today we're just going to do an unboxing, kind of show you what you're going to get when you receive this thing in the mail. On the outside of the box, it's pretty typical of what you'll find on everything. It gives a little bit of highlights of what they're pushing. On the back, it'll have a few of the features of this card, which is, this one's the big difference compared to the other one. You see the 4 heat pipes. The other Gaming Overclock just has 2. So this thing should have better cooling than the Gaming Overclock edition. An accessory box. The card itself, nicely wrapped in an anti-static bag, and underneath that, absolutely nothing. Let's get into the accessory bag and see what they've sent. I don't expect much. They haven't been sending much with cards anymore. This is good old days when you received cords, but you get a quick reference guide. And these are somewhat handy. I hardly ever use these. This card's new enough. Some of the drivers and stuff on that disc may be relevant, but it also kind of gives you a good idea. Maybe there's something out there you haven't heard of. And go ahead and grab it off the disc and update it through the website. There we have the 2060 in its full glory. Let's just take a moment and take it all in. Okay, that's enough. 1 power pin, which is extremely nice. 3 fans. Man, the cooling is going to be awesome on this card. Display port. Display port. Display port on HDMI. One thing about this card to note, it is coming out with one of the higher clocks of them all. It's a 1830 effective clock, which is right up there. I mean, I think that's the highest I've seen these cards come out with. So you're really getting a powerful card and extreme cooling. You can see the pipes. That's what you get in the box. Be sure to head on over to Funkykit.com. Check out the written up review for a full detailed exploration of this card. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like and click on the subscribe for more. Don't forget you can actually purchase all the items via the links in the description. Until our next video, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.